Hi my happy little stars. Today we're drawing Bluey dancing while holding her favorite doll tightly in her paws. It's a story full of joy, rhythm, and twirls. Before we start, tap the like button so Bluey's dance floor shines even brighter. The morning sun peeks through Bluey's window, and cheerful music fills the room. She grabs her soft little doll, smiling wide. Come on, let's dance together, says Bluey excitedly, twirling in her pajamas. Give this video a like if you love dancing in your room too. Bingo peeks in and giggles at the sight. Bluey, are you dancing with your doll again? She asks. Bluey nods proudly. She's my best dance partner. Press like if you've ever danced with your favorite toy before. Downstairs, Mom and Dad watch from the kitchen while sipping their morning tea. Look at her go, says Mom with a warm smile. Dad chuckles. That doll must be having the time of her life. Tap like if you think Bluey's doll is the best dancer in the world. The music changes to a faster beat, and Bluey spins faster and faster. Her ears bounce, her tail sways, and her doll's dress flutters in the air. Spin, spin, spin! She cheers, giggling out loud. Give this video a like if you love spinning until you can't stop laughing. Bingo joins in with her teddy, and now the living room becomes a big stage. Mom claps along to the rhythm, while Dad pretends to be a dance judge. 10 out of 10 for the doll, he announces dramatically. Press like if you'd give Bluey and Bingo a perfect score too. Bluey lifts her doll high above her head and dances like a ballerina. She twirls gracefully, balancing on her toes. Look, Mom! My doll's flying, she says proudly. Tap like if you can imagine your toys flying while you dance. After a few twirls, Bluey lies down, out of breath but still smiling. Her doll rests beside her, looking just as tired. That was the best dance ever, Bluey whispers softly. Give this video a like if you've ever felt happy after a fun dance too. Bingo sits next to Bluey and hugs her. You're the best dancer, Bluey, she says sweetly. Bluey smiles, hugging Bingo back and whispering, we both are. Press like if you love dancing with your siblings or friends. As the music fades, Dad brings 2 cups of juice for his little dancers. Mom lays out some fruit slices and says, time to refuel, dancers. Bluey giggles and raises her cup. To the best dance day ever. Before bedtime, give this video a lovely like, and remember to dance happily with your favorite doll tonight.